Welcome to 15 Hycliff Road in Greenwich, Connecticut. I'm so excited to show you my new listing. It is a gorgeous contemporary that is immersed in the middle of nature. So come on in.
Are you looking for grandeur, brightness, and to be part of nature with two-story windows, all from your own living room? This pristine contemporary can give you all of that with modern conveniences and lots of style. Step into a bright white eat-in kitchen with its own pantry, amazing amenities, and a clean, sleek style. You can't help but notice the amazing windows from everywhere in this house. Take a couple of steps down into a gracious dining room. Imagine entertaining with this view. Make it formal or informal, whatever works for you. Need something more cozy? A great family room with loads of closets for storage. A beautiful office with more closets and its own private entrance. What's great about this house is the palette is simplistic, so create your own vibe. Head up to the second floor, enjoying a long walkway overlooking the living room, giving you a great appreciation for its sophistication. Beware, you might get stuck along the way enjoying the view from above. The breathtaking view of the mature landscape property will grab and hold your attention, most definitely. There are 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths on this level. This view of the pool beckons you to exhale slowly and take it all in. There's a first floor master bedroom suite with majestic floor-to-ceiling windows sure to dazzle in the morning. This amazing room has a wall of closets keeping everything neat and tidy. The master bathroom is luxury equal or superb to the most amazing spa. There's lots of storage and more light from the spectacular skylights above. Imagine candles and a bubble bath in this setting, a place to breathe and relax. Finally, we get to what everyone wants to see, this stunning pool with a rock wall, beautiful terrace, lots of space to sun, entertain, or just sit and admire your new beautiful home.